Fluke Corporation is the world leader in the manufacture, distribution, and service of electronic test tools and software. Fluke has helped define and grow a unique technology market, providing testing and troubleshooting capabilities that have grown to mission-critical status in manufacturing and service industries. From industrial electronic installation, maintenance, and service, to precision measurement and quality control, Fluke tools help keep business and industry around the globe up and running. The Fluke 87V Digital Multimeter is a versatile True RMS meter that's perfect for professional or around-the-house use. This meter offers auto and manual ranging for maximum flexibility, and it also offers an annual bar graph for quick changing or unstable signals. Classically designed, the Fluke 87V has a removable holster with a built-in probe and test lead storage. For added convenience, it arrives ready to go with TL75 test leads and a 9-volt battery. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. The Fluke 87V Industrial Multimeter provides the resolution and accuracy to efficiently troubleshoot motor drives, plant automation, and electromechanical equipment, even in loud, high-energy, and high-altitude locations. The 87V is designed so you can work more efficiently. The 87V lets you identify complex electrical problems fast. It supports accurate measurements on VFDs using a low-pass filter. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Accurate frequency measurements on adjustable speed drives, ASD, due to Fluke-designed low-pass filter. Number 2. Captures intermittents as fast as 250 microsiemens with peak capture. Number 3. Switchable high display resolution allows 6,000 to 20,000 counts, lets you see small changes in displayed readings. Cat3 1000 volts, Cat IV 600 volts safety rated. Number 4. Measure up to 1000 VAC in DC. Operating altitude, 2000 meters. Number 5. Accuracy. Unique function for accurate voltage and frequency measurements on adjustable speed motor drives and other electrically noisy equipment. Number 6. Applications. Working on VSDs, VFDs. Take accurate voltage, current, and frequency measurements on the output side of the drive at either the drive itself or at the motor terminals. Number 7. Accessories. Optional magnetic hanger for easy setup and viewing while freeing your hands for other tasks. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. What is the primary difference between the Fluke 87V and the 87V Max? Answer. The major advantages of the 87V Max are: withstands drops up to 4 meters, 13 feet, with industrial strength casing and holster waterproof, dustproof IP67 case for the most extreme work sites. Question number 2. If I engrave my name on the unit, will it void my warranty? Can I still return it to the seller? Answer. Fluke warranty will be good, however, I would not allow a return if you engraved your name on it. Question number 3. Seller. Specifically, what firmware version of the 87V is this? Also, are you an authorized Fluke seller far as the warranty goes? Answer. FW is 3.03. We are not an authorized Fluke seller. However, this meter is fully functional. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.